So, starting off in this corner, 2 loose zingers, 3 space flyers. Zingers are probably my favorite, like, little firework I make. I also bought 2 packs of zingers, 4 M80s, and 2 packs of flower bombs. Then we have 3 packs of snakes, random assortment of clay and paper smoke balls, or bombs, whatever you want to call them. 4 tanks, right here. I used to really like tanks. I've started to hate them though, because they went downhill a lot. Artificial satellites, aka UFOs, but TNT cannot say that for some reason. Somebody owns UFOs. It's weird. Anyway, pack of smoke balls, pack of, well, these are clay, these are paper. Then I have, for these 2 more papers. And then some of this stuff, so bring it in again. Okay. Then I have 1, 2, and 3 packs of paper smoke balls. Have a full pack of crackle balls. And like a half pack of crackle balls. My brother stole most of these, but it's okay. Then I have one of these giant Roman candles. Have 6 pack of small ones, size comparison. See how much taller it is. There's the other one in there. I'm just gonna show one. Color pearls. I have a dream flower and 2 of these brilliant showers. Then I have this cone, the spring blossom. I would talk about some of these, but I really don't know what they do. Only one I know what it does is this dream flower. It lasted for a whole minute. It was really cool. I was gonna buy like 10 of these, but this was the only one they had left. They have these for $1 at my local fireworks store. So I picked up about 10 of these on the 4th of July. I only have 1 left with like the single packs, but then I bought a 4 pack of those same exact things. The Saturn missile battery 25 shots. I don't know if I've talked about these yet. I've definitely already seen them. Just some random no-brand Chinese rockets. That's everything for this bucket. Now moving on to bucket number 3. So let's start off with the boring stuff. I have a thing of sparklers. Then I have a bunch of packs of bottle rockets. Right here, firecrackers. I have a lot of those left. And then I did have 4 packs, but my brother, I think, just came in here and stole them. So that's great. 3 packs of party poppers, 2 jumping jacks. Those are really cool. 100 pack of flash crackers. I have this here, tornado firecrackers, 100 pieces. Those are really cool. I have a ladybug. This was for free. After I bought everything, they told me to go and get this, so that was pretty cool. I have a pack of ground blooms, which are basically flower bombs. I have a loose pack of poppets. I'm gonna have 5 boxes of poppets, and there's 2 packs in each box. So that's everything I have right now.